Hey, what it do? What it do? What it do, boy? Fam, look, we finna get on the helicopter. This shit crazy. We finna get on the heli. We finna get on the heli. Hey, we finna get on the heli. Huh? I'm on the right side. Wait, hey, bro, this crazy. Oh, you get on there with us? Oh.
I'm getting the door for you.
You get on there with us?
Okay, when you get in, I ask that you just hold on to this and not the door to help yourself in.
Oh, this small, bro. Hey, yeah. This small, cuz.
Okay.
This is insane. This is insane work. Oh, I gotta put this.
Thank you.
My ring just came off. So.
You got it?
Yeah, I'm good.
Where do I? Oh, right here. Yeah, that did show me that.
All right. And here's the headset. You put the mic on the left side.
All right.
And then I think the headset fell off.
Pull something off.
Oh, that's okay.
Not that one. There should be another one
right here.
right behind you.
Yeah, is there lights in here?
No.
No, it's gonna be.
Hey, I
It's gonna be dimly, just like this. It's gonna be lit by the sun while y'all are flying.
I'm scared.
And then make sure the microphone's on the left side, perfect, and make sure it's close to your mouth because it is voice activated.
Oh my god.
Okay, have fun, y'all.
Oh, they can't see me right now. Let me see. Oh, tell them what up. Tell them what's up.
Hey, I'm like. I'm kind of claustrophobic.
Claustrophobic? Oh, you'll be good.
We on the heli. Hey, you go crazy. Oh man. You gonna do this again?
What's your name?
My name?
Yeah.
Lena.
Lena.
What's your name?
Layla
Roscoe.
And Layla.
Layla and Roscoe.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice to meet you guys.
We go crazy. It's crazy. Tell them
All
what up.
right. We'll just get this thing started and we'll be out of here.
All right.
Bro, this is insane.
I'll take a picture.
We on the helicopter. You really on the helicopter. We on the helicopter.
Yeah.
Oh man. Hey, this is crazy. Oh man. Hey, yo. Yo, we just got off the helicopter. Tell them, how was it out of 10?
It was.
Out of 10.
It was like an 8.5, 9. It was nice.
Nah.
My
You think
ears did pop though.
my ears ain't pop. They ain't pop. I ain't gonna lie to you. They ain't pop, but I never been in the air before. But now we gotta go on the airplane. Now we gotta get on that. Hey. shit looks cool. We got a bunch of videos and all that. But yeah, bro, I appreciate y'all for watching the video. We finna go get something to eat and chill for the rest of the night. Yeah, today is our anniversary, so we had a great anniversary, bro. I just appreciate y'all for, you know, sticking with me, liking my videos, commenting, and subscribing. And we'll be back with more videos, more fam. And I hope y'all having a great day, and I hope y'all continue to have a great day, man. Y'all be safe out here, bro.